If Evernote is not working on your device, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes to get the app running again. We'll cover basic troubleshooting, force closing the app, updating it properly, and doing a full reinstall if needed. This is the best way to solve most Evernote problems, like freezing, crashing, syncing errors, or the app refusing to open at all. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, start with the simplest fix. Restart Evernote and reboot your device. A lot of app issues happen because the app is stuck in the background or your device has a temporary glitch. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape together to open Task Manager. Find Evernote in the list, click it, and then choose End Task. On Mac, press Command, Option, and Escape to open the Force Quit Applications window. Select Evernote and click Force Quit. If you're on a phone or tablet, swipe the app away completely so it closes fully. After that, restart your device and try opening Evernote again. This alone can fix a surprising number of problems. If Evernote is still not working, the next step is to update the app. Using an older version can cause compatibility issues, especially if your device has recently updated its operating system. Go to the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or the official Evernote download page and check whether an update is available. If there is one, install it right away. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and sync corrections that can solve crashes or loading problems. Once the update finishes, reopen Evernote and test it again. If the app still refuses to work, you may need to do a full reinstall. Before deleting anything, make sure all of your notes are visible on Evernote Web. That is important because you want to confirm your content is fully synced and nothing is missing. Once you've checked that, uninstall Evernote from your device. After uninstalling, reboot your device completely. Turn it off for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This helps clear out leftover temporary files that may be causing the problem. Then install a fresh copy of Evernote from the official App Store or the official website. A clean reinstall can fix corrupted app files and resolve persistent issues that basic troubleshooting cannot. After reinstalling, sign back in and check whether your notes, notebooks, and sync settings are working normally. If Evernote opens correctly now, try creating a quick test note and syncing it to make sure everything is stable. If the app still has issues, double-check your internet connection, make sure your account is logged in properly, and verify that your device has enough storage space available. Those small issues can sometimes affect how the app performs. The main thing to remember is to troubleshoot in order first restart the app and device, then update Evernote, and only then move to a full reinstall if needed. That saves time and helps you avoid deleting the app when a simpler fix would have worked. If this video helped you fix Evernote, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments which steps solved the problem for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.